Dear students, welcome back. In this session, we are going to discuss about muscles of the third layer of the soul. The muscles which are present in the third layer are the flexor hallucis brevis, flexor digiti minimi brevis, both are flexors, and one adductor hallucis muscle. Okay, so that means in the third layer, the muscles which are attached, that means the muscles which mainly helps in the actions at the hallux as well as the digiti minimi. Okay, so medial side and lateral side. So the flexor hallucis brevis is originating from the cuboid bone, and insertion, the muscle splits into two portions. One is medial portion and the lateral portion, and the tendons of these are inserted on the sides of the proximal phalanx of the great toe. If you see the action, it flexes the metatarsophalangeal joint of the great toe. This muscle is supplied by the medial plantar nerve. Now we will move on to the adductor hallucis. This muscle is arising by two heads. One is the oblique head and the transverse head. Okay, oblique head and transverse. If you see the oblique head, which is arising from the bases of second, third and fourth metatarsal bones. Okay, if you see the transverse head origin, it arises from the plantar ligaments of the metatarsophalangeal joints of third, fourth and fifth toes. Third, fourth and fifth toes. This is the origin. So if you see the insertion, these two heads converge. That means these two heads converge and end in a tendon which is inserted into the lateral side of the proximal phalanx of the great toe. And this muscle is supplied by the deep branch of lateral plantar nerve. It helps in the adduction of the great toe. This is about the adductor hallucis. Now we will see the flexor digiti minimi brevis. So it is arising from the base of the fifth metatarsal bone, and it is inserted into the plantar side of the proximal phalanx of the little toe. We see the nerve supply. It is supplied by the superficial branch of lateral plantar nerve. The action of this muscle is flexes the metatarsophalangeal joint of the little toe. So these are the muscles which are present in the third layer of the soul. Thank you.